What's up, everybody? Patrick LaRouge here from Evolve Restorative Therapy. You can find me at Live Pain Free Process, and I am your pain specialist telling you another thing that you can do to start balancing out pain. What I'm doing today is all about getting myself kind of to balance out. I just finished up a cleanse because now it's spring, and if you haven't noticed, things are changing. So you have to change as well. And if you want to start balancing and getting your pain to get better, you have to move like your body moves. So because it's spring, your body is holding a lot of stuff. This is where a lot of allergies come in. So I want to do a nice cleanse, where I did a digestive cleanse last week. And now I'm into this week, which now I'm starting to balance things out. I want to bring coffee back, and I'm just going to do it during the end of the week. So I'm going to do like a weekend type of thing. But this is what I'm doing because I have this need to sip. And I used to drink coffee throughout the day, throughout the whole entire morning to balance my blood sugar, my hunger cravings, let's rephrase that. And now I am only eating in the morning and at night. So what I did is genius. I used to sip on ginger tea throughout the winter, but now it's spring, I want to do something slightly different. So what I did was I warmed up, this is called golden milk, and it helps aid with digestion, elimination. I'm using this solely, a lot of it is for allergy prevention and anti-inflammatory and immune system. So I'm using it, all three of these, and I'm going to be making this throughout the days. I'm going to try to do it 2 or 3 times this week, as well as I'm going to be doing the ginger tea in between. So now I was doing solely ginger tea to start really keeping me warm, keeping me hot throughout the winter. Now that it's spring, like today is going to be 70. I'm going to be definitely doing a wardrobe change for sure. And now I'm doing this. So this is the mixture that I want you to really think about. I have my coconut milk, my ginger, which I found was pretty cool, that I have in Trader Joe's if you have it. Ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, and organic honey. Now the raw local honey is going to be key. Come back here. Is going to be key for you to really. Where you at? There you go. It's going to be key for you to have, because I'm upside down. Why am I upside down? There we go. Sorry about that. My cameraman is all sorts of crazy. What was I saying? The local honey that I got from Just Farmed. Meredith, she's local for me. So you want to find something that's relatively local, relatively easy. The ginger I found in Trader Joe's. It's frozen and it's awesome because now I use this for a bunch of different things. But I always prefer my straight up root, and I slice it, dice it, do whatever I have to do. And then this year is gonna be a fun one because I'm gonna try to plant it. So, sorry, I got off track here. What I want you to do now is put the coconut milk in a pot. This is not about boiling it. This is all about letting it seep and soak and take everything in. You put all the ingredients in. I put a teaspoon of each, for every cup of each. And then based off of how much I want, I offset the milk. So I normally put the coconut milk in a mug, make how much I want, pour it in the and I put a cinnamon stick in it. And when I let the cinnamon sit, I put it on very, very low. And this should only take you about 5 minutes because all we're doing is warming this stuff up because this is a sipping drink. You're going to be sipping this throughout the morning or your time rather than drinking it all down. So it comes out and it looks like this. Right? It's very, 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 very yellowish in color. And because I'm me, what I do is I had a little bit of cocoa, baby. So I had a little cacao, some cocoa, and now this is gonna be dope. So I'm gonna start consistently working on myself. Now I am gonna always want to have a routine in the back burner that's gonna help you eliminate inflammation. Because that's naturally building inside your body. So you need something that's gonna consistently help that process out. It's all about the movement, all about the routine, all about getting everything done. You need to really focus on getting in a proper routine that's going to work with your body. And this is only one tip. It's going to help me balance out me even wanting sugar. Like after me purging sugar coffee, now I don't really care for it. And that's why I want to bring something in. I was like, I don't really want to bring out coffee back in. So I'm doing this. So hopefully this helped you. If you guys find this helpful, please share it, comment down below. And if you want more videos, hit the like button down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.